Imagine yourself in this 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 278 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4 WD-type, part-time, AC power outlet, 1, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, bed length, 60.5 and clock, in radio display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.